Hello, everyone. Happy New Year. I want to wish all of you and your families a very happy, healthy, successful New Year. Um, I want to share a piece of good news. End of last year, I made a significant life change. I have decided to resign to my IT career and start a full-time job as a life coach. So I started a company, Path to Courage, the art of letting go. And all of you, whoever interacted with me, you have attended my workshops, you are aware of how I draw parallels from Western and Eastern cultures. So my company name and logo is all derived from that. I've been attending a lot of Vedanta classes from Chinmaya Mission, and I read a lot of Western philosophy books, and I love to draw parallels between both the worlds and understand, right? Understand some of the aspects which are otherwise not very convincing to our logical mind, right? To have some, tell it in a way that it makes sense to everybody. So for me, path to courage is what it symbolizes is that any person who is not content in life, who is not happy in life, who is frustrated, who is trying to understand what is the purpose of my life, what am I doing with my life, what is this going to, where is this going to lead, right? So all those questions, answers to your questions are, if those are all like existential questions, right? We come to those after we have gone through some of the life's challenges and phases, and we have settled down and we are like, now what, right? That's when I feel that we need to have the courage to let go of limiting thoughts and beliefs, right? So that we can accept life as it is. We can see the beauty of how every event in life is happening for a reason and for us. Entire life around me is happening for me, right? Whatever event, whatever circumstances may be, whatever circumstances I'm put in, whatever environment I'm put in, it's all for me to thrive, provided I have the right perception to look at it that way, right? So what I want to do with the life coaching thing that I'm going to do, that I've been doing, is to show people a path to courage, how to let go of your limiting thoughts and beliefs, right? When you do that, what happens is we spend a lot of our energy in all these lower tendencies, in our limiting thoughts, in our limiting belief systems, in our ego, anger, everything. Once we learn to let go of those things, you can reclaim the energy. And what with that, all that excess surplus energy, right? You are going to figure out how to unlock your true potential by yourself, right? By yourself. So the guidance is towards letting go of the limiting thoughts and beliefs to reach until the stage of the courage. When you see the map of consciousness coined by Dr. David Hawkins or from Esther Hicks, right? Abraham and Esther Hicks, if you see the emotional scale, they're all very similar. Or to quote Adi Sankaracharya from Viveka Chudamani, even he says the path to spiritual progress, the second step is to have the courage to let go of lower tendencies. So everything culminates to the same core concept of how to let go, how to let go of something that does not serve us, not does not serve our bigger cause, right? So that is what it is. That is the effort. That is the plan. So you can see the logo on my screen, right? And coincidentally, I have a dress which matches the color and pattern of my logo. So I felt that I bought this dress last year. I did not know all these things. When I designed the logo, I did not know I had this dress. I feel like that universe is sending all the messages and everything is coming together. I love it. I am really excited about this. So I want to let you know the offerings I have for this month and the coming months. The first offering is I want to have a weekend workshop for Reflections 2024 and Projections 2025. What we are going to do is we are going to see how our year 2024 was. It doesn't matter who you are, what your year have been, it doesn't matter. We are going to look at it because oftentimes what we do is we create goals, we create lofty goals to be precise, and we get very disappointed when we don't meet the goal. If you said, I wanted to read 20 books, If you read 5 books, you're like, oh my God, I am such a loser. I did not even come close to 20, right? But we don't see that we have created a habit of reading. We made progress, right? We don't celebrate the wins. We often see what we did not do and we get disappointed with that. So we are going to reflect on 2024 to understand what did we accomplish? If we did not reach our goals, why didn't we reach our goals? What came in the way? Life happens, right? Life happens. A lot of things happen. Doesn't matter. And it does not, today, when you are putting a goal for yourself, it does not mean that life won't happen to you again, right? You have no idea what is in store in 2025 for you. And it's not just your life, your family, everybody, right? Work, family, friends, a lot of things are there. Now, we are going to do the reflections of 2024 and projections for 2025. We are going to understand how to set goals, how to create habits, right? We are going to do that as part of an interactive workshop. We are going to discuss things. We are going to look at some prompts. We are going to discuss. We are going to answer some questions, participate in the healthy discussion, and then come up with some goals for 2025. Okay, so that is reflections 2024 and projections 2025. Most probably, I'll be doing this the coming Saturday or the future Saturday. I will let you know the schedule soon. And the other thing is, I'm pretty sure you all are aware of all the different workshops I do. I have consolidated all of them, and currently I have 2 ongoing workshops. Read Daily, Live Fully. It is by Swami Chinmayananda, excerpts from all his talks. He's from Chinmaya Mission. And those it has 365 articles. The whole concept is read 1 article per day, create the habit of reading, and reflect on it. Reflect on it, indulge in discussion, see how you can incorporate in your life, right? That is the whole point of it. And by the end of 365 days, you have become a reader. You have also spiritually made immense progress because it changes you as a person, it transforms you as a person. And of course, the people around you, because you're talking about it, you're incorporating those things into your life. So people have transformed doing all these things. So Read Daily, Live Fully is one of the workshops we are going to do. That's a daily article that will be posted and discussions will happen around that. And the next one is the Letting Go Pathway to Surrender. It's a guided journal with prompts. What we are going to do is we have prompts and we are going to work on that. I will be posting prompts every other day. So we will be discussing on those prompts. We can share what we have written. Whoever wants to share, they can share, or you can ask questions, or you can engage in discussions, or you can watch what people are doing and learn from that. You have different ways to participate in the workshop, right? So we are going to do all those things. And that is the Letting Go Pathway to Surrender. So to summarize, I'll have 3 things going on, at least in the month of January. The first workshop is a weekend workshop. It's a 2-hour workshop to discuss reflections 2024 and projections 2025. And the second one is Read Daily, Live Fully, 1 article every day. And the third one is the Letting Go guided journal. There will be prompts and I'll be posting every other day and we are going to discuss all those. So these are the 3 offerings I have for this month. And I have a promotional offer as well. I'm going to let you know all the details in a flyer. I'm going to share that. So I'm pretty excited for 2025. I have a lot of ideas for workshops. Let me know if you're interested in participating, or if you have some ideas on what you want to do, what you would like to discuss, or what you would like, any ideas. I'm open for it. I'll consolidate all of them and see what I can come up with. So again, wishing you all a very happy new year and looking forward to working with you all. Thank you.